Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this very big voluminous sort of supermodel-esque hair. I'm going to show you pretty much how I do my hair whenever, you know, I put in the effort. I really love big voluminous hair, and I feel like over the years I've gotten better at doing my hair, and I think I've finally narrowed it down to like the way, just like my straight up kind of curling voluminous sort of routine. I don't know what I'm saying. I've kind of been practicing these last couple of months, I guess, with my hair, and I feel like, you know, it's actually starting to look pretty good, and I do get, you know, a lot of compliments on my hair lately, so I think that means that's a good thing that I'm doing my hair right because I was completely clueless when it came to doing my hair. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this voluminous sort of hairstyle, then go ahead and just keep watching. So I just washed my hair. It's about 80% air dried, and then I just went over it with a blow dryer. So I'm gonna be taking this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This makes my hair super soft, and I think it has heat protectant in it. I think so. No, there's no heat protectant. So yeah, I don't really use a heat protectant. I mean, I have like that Tresemme one, but I honestly don't really feel like it does anything, so I just don't really bother. The only time I'll really use it is if I'm like blow drying my hair, but I try to avoid blow drying my hair as much as possible just because I already like straighten it and curl it sometimes, so I just try to avoid blow drying unless I really have to. I go in with a straightener. This is the straightener I use. This is just like a super cheap like Conair one, and I'm not gonna straighten it like too much. I like this one because it's like 1.5 inches. It's like really thick, and it makes straightening my hair really fast because I have a lot of hair, and this just makes the process a lot faster. And I'm mostly like straightening like the front section of my hair because I have like baby hairs and they tend to like curl up a little bit. Do that. And then I just go through it really softly. This just makes the curling process a lot smoother and easier and less frizzy, so I just like to go over it pretty lightly with like a straightener. Then usually I like to take like a thin brush, kind of like this. And I'll kind of just evenly part my hair. I like it down the middle lately. I used to be like more to the side, but I don't know, I've been into the middle part lately, and I just feel like it complements my face really nicely, and it just makes me look more mature. So that's why I do that. And I kind of just part the front of my hair sort of like that. I don't do it like super even or anything, but kind of just clip it out of the way like that. And then I take my curling wand. This is just like a super cheap one, Bedhead. It was like $15 on Amazon. Sometimes I want to invest in like a really nice curling wand, but not in this economy. This one works just fine, by the way, honestly. But yeah, I do feel like you'll see the biggest difference when you really invest in your heating tools, but you know, for now, this will work. I take a section about that size, and then I like to curl them away from my face usually, and I'll just wrap it, and then I'll leave like about this much out because I don't like him to be super curly. I'm going for like a bouncier like wave, so I usually like to hold it for, I don't know, like 10-15 seconds, and I'll kind of just do this little thingy going back and forth, and then just let it go. And it's a pretty tight curl, but they end up like softening, and then I comb through them. So yeah, I pretty much do that. Sometimes I'll mostly curl them outwards, but I do inwards sometimes if I want to just switch it up. Actually, no. Usually if it's like a bigger chunk of hair that I take, I'll let it kind of marinate in there a little bit longer, because I find the longer I hold it and the longer my curls last. If I kind of just breeze through it, my hair ends up going straight. So I try to leave it for like 15-20 seconds if it's like a thicker strand that I take, like if I'm in a hurry. But so once I'm done with the bottom portion of my hair, I'll unclip this, and then I'll kind of just toss this to like one side over here so I don't get like the hairs mixed up, and I just follow like that middle part that I did. And then I'll just clip the other part. Out of the way. And then pretty much just like the same process, taking this front portion and curling it away from my face, and still leaving like about like 2 inches kind of. Oh, crazy, and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me side is done, and then time for the last section. This whole process usually takes me like 15-20 minutes maybe. But I don't know why, I just kind of hate doing my hair. Like, I like it, but it's just, it takes a lot of arm muscle. Bring my head for you. We're almost done. Okay. So once that is done, I kind of like to tussle my hair a little bit. I like to go over the front pieces a little, just because that's where I like the most like volume. Just give it a little shake. Go in. Even though my hair is clean, I like to go in with a little bit of dry shampoo just to give it like that extra like fullness at the top. So lately I've been using this IGK charcoal, first class charcoal detox dry shampoo. I've really been liking this one. It's the deep cleansing levels. It's detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing. So this will really clean your hair, but I just take like the tiniest bit. And I'm not like the best at applying this, but kind of just do a little bit at the root like that. And then I'll just go like in pretty lightly, like that. And this will just give it like that extra oomph that I'm looking for. Just like, wow, gives me like tons of volume. And then I have to do it to like the bottom part. Can you see? Okay. But yeah, I got the travel size kind of to try it out, but I really like it. When I run out of this, I'm probably gonna get the full size. And then also I've been trying another thing from IGK, which is the Beach Club Volumizing Spray, texturizing spray. So this will help like hold my curls. But I also do use this one, the living proof one, and you can change like, depending if you want like less body or more body, you can twist it. So that's what's really cool about this one. I lost the cap, but do like a tiny spritz of that. Go in with this. Kind of just like that. Kind of, yeah, just like that. So I'll do like a mix of the two. But yeah, usually I like this. I've really been liking this, but I also really like this. I like them both, so I would honestly recommend either or. Yeah, they're amazing. I just really love texturizing, bodybuilding, anything that is just gonna give my hair lots and lots of volume. Sign me up. Pretty much sums up this video. Sometimes I'll comb it through like with my fingers or with like a brush like this, but I don't like to do that too much because I do still like it to look a little curly, and they naturally just fall throughout the day anyway. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial and found it helpful. I'm no like hair expert, but this is just what I do with my hair, and I wanted to share it with you because I wanted to switch it up a little. Hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.